We're in the bathroom of my home that we rent from PPV Housing here on Naval Air Station Corpus Christi. For the second time in a year, we've had a leak that's come from our bathtub, leak down the wall, and then come into our dining room area downstairs. As you can see, here's the bathtub. It was originally thought that this spot right here, which has been like this since we moved into the house, was caused by us not closing our shower curtain all the way. At least that's what the housing maintenance tried saying. But after further investigation, what ended up is on the overflow drain here, the whole back portion had rusted out and the ring had deteriorated. So anytime water was going to that overflow drain, it was pouring down the side of the wall. Now this whole area of the wall right here, as you can see, is totally soft to the push, pushes right in there. So obviously something's been rotting out down there. We've called the military housing out here probably a total of 4 or 5 times since we moved into this place to point this area out to them. And each time they've come out and caulked it and painted it and called it good. Also this flooring down in here has been coming very soft. If you jump on the flooring here, you can see the whole bathtub give. Now if you look around the edges of the bathtub, you can see that the caulking has cracked, and that's happened several times since we've been out here also, which we've called them out multiple times, and their answer always to that is they come out, caulk it, and call it good. Now the last time the maintenance guy was out here, he told us that the reason that the caulking keeps cracking on this is because the floor underneath has probably become so soft that each time we step into the bathtub, it's separating the bathtub from the wall, causing that crack. And now also when water hits that crack, it's been draining down through the ceiling down below too. So this issue's been going on for quite a while. Obviously, we initially found out by seeing the ceiling downstairs in the dining room starting to turn brown and black with mold. So they're supposed to be coming out tomorrow, starting construction. We'll go downstairs now and I'll show you the downstairs portion. As you see, we're getting all packed up, getting ready to move into the hotel while they do all this work. But here's the area where we originally found the problem. They've cut out that area, and when they cut out there, you can see the OSB board below, the floorboard up there is totally drenched in water. We've got plenty of pictures on that, but originally the brown stains started forming, a couple black spot areas, and now if you take a shower or bath or something like that, there's usually a puddle of water down here on the floor once it's done. So tomorrow they're supposed to be coming out, start the work on it, and we'll see what happens. They told us they are going to pull up the floorboard up below, pull the bathtub out, and see what's going on with the floor. I imagine we'll probably find rotted wood underneath there, a lot of mold growing underneath the bathtub, but we will wait and see tomorrow.